In a small village nestled between rolling hills and dense forest, there was a tree unlike any other. This tree, ancient and wise, stood at the center of the village square. Its massive branches spread wide, providing shade and shelter to the villagers. They called it the wise old tree. The tree had witnessed generations come and go, and with each passing year, it had grown wiser. Its gnarled bark told stories of joy and sorrow, love and loss. It was said that if you listened closely, you could hear the whisper of the tree sharing its wisdom with the wind. One day, a young boy named Jojo stood before the wise old tree. He was troubled. The village was preparing for a great festival, and Jojo had been entrusted with guarding the village's most prized possession, a golden apple said to bring prosperity and happiness. However, Jojo had been careless, distracted by the excitement. He had left the apple unattended, and now it was gone. Fearful and ashamed, Jojo approached the wise old tree. Oh, wise tree, he pleaded, I have failed my village. I have lost the golden apple. What should I do? The branches of the tree rustled gently as if in thought. Then, in a soft, cracking voice, it spoke. Jojo, mistakes are a part of life. It is how we learn from them that defines us. Do not let fear and shame cloud your judgment. Instead, speak to make amends and find the lost apple. Encouraged by the tree's words, Jojo set off to search for the golden apple. He asked every villager he met if they had seen it, but no one had. As the sun began to set, he found himself at the edge of the forest, tired and disheartened. Just as he was about to give up, he saw a glimmer among the roots of a large oak tree. There, nestled in the dirt, was the golden apple. Overjoyed, Jojo carefully picked it up and rushed back to the village. When he returned, the villagers were gathered around the wise old tree, looking worried, but their expressions changed to relief and happiness when they saw Jojo holding the golden apple. He handed it to the village elder, who smiled and placed it back in its rightful place. The elder turned to Jojo and said, You have shown great courage and responsibility, Jojo, by seeking to correct your mistake rather than hiding from it. You have honored the spirit of our village. Jojo felt a sense of pride and relief. He looked up at the wise old tree and smiled, knowing that its wisdom had guided him through his trouble. From that day on, Jojo became known as a trustworthy and dependable young man, and the villagers continued to gather under the shade of the wise old tree, where they shared their joys and sorrows, always listening for the tree's gentle whisper of wisdom. The story of Jojo and the golden apple was told for generations, reminding everyone that while mistakes are inevitable, it is our actions in the face of them that truly define our character. And so the wise old tree remained at the heart of the village, a symbol of growth, learning, and the enduring power of wisdom.